Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can relocate a team in franchise mode in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. So before you do anything, I would recommend you to go to Options tab, then open League Settings and select Commissioner Settings here. Now scroll until you see the option Relocation Settings and put it on everyone for now. Now once you do that, go to League tab and select the option Relocate or Rebuild. Right here, select the option Relocate. Now here, by using your left analog stick, simply choose the part where you would like to relocate. That could be Argentina, Mexico, Texas, wherever you would like to relocate, and simply press A or cross in order to confirm. And now you can simply see, let's go with this one. Okay, choose the stadium if you want to change and simply hit finish renovations. And yeah, that's exactly how we're able to relocate. To see if we are actually relocated or not, we can simply go and open roster, select any of the player, and right here we can simply select the option edit player, and you can see the jersey is changed. It means that we are successfully relocated, and that's exactly how we're able to relocate in Madden 27 franchise mode. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.